Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also hit that notification button. This is okra soup. Yes, we are diving into the world of okra soup. Look at that. Ooh, this thing looks so delicious. So guys, first thing first, I'm gonna show you all my ingredients that I'm using for this okra soup. I have some steamed crab and some steamed cow skin. Yes, all steamed. Dry fish, some ogiri right there. This is optional if you want to use ogiri. Some beans. This is all steamed. This is the African beans. I got some seasoning that I'm going to use. Okay. And I got some of my chicken. It's all the steamed also. Yes, and palm oil that goes with that. Okay, guys, so I got my fresh okra. I bought this from the Asian store, and I'm going to cut them into little pieces. If you don't want to cut your okra yourself, you can go to the any store, maybe Walmart, and get the frozen one in the pack. So it's up to you. If you want to work less, I like to work more. Give myself some work. So I'm going to cut them into pieces. And after cutting this into pieces, I'm going to blend this. Yes, I'm going to blend some into my blender. I'm going to add it to the pot. Yeah. So guys, after this, I'm going to blend my pepper, my big ball pepper, some onions to go with the okra. Yes, so I'm just getting everything ready, to go faster. Yes, so I'm going to blend everything together, and I'm going to set this aside. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna turn my stove into medium heat, and I have my pot ready. I'm going to add my steamed chicken. Yeah, so like I was saying, this is already steamed, seasoning and steamed. Gonna add it to the pot, and I'm going to add some of my steamed beans. This is the African beans. Yes, add it to the pot. If you want to, you can add it or not. It's optional, but I love some beans on my okra. Yes, and I'm going to add a little bit of water, and I'm going to add some seasoning into the pot also. I got some chicken soup base, some salt into the pot, and I will add some of my palm oil. Yes, some of my palm oil into the pot also. Yes, I'm not gonna pour everything because that's too much of oil. Yes, and this palm oil looks so good. It's so red. Okay guys, so after adding my palm oil, I'm going to add my ogiri. Yes, my ogiri. This is optional. And I will add some of my jumbo Maggi onto the pot. And after this, I will just cover this and let it cook. And after I cover it, and I will come back to check how it's going. I'm back, and look at that. Okay, so I'm going to mix this, and after mixing this, I'm going to add some of my blended pepper that I blended earlier into the pot. Okay guys, so after adding this pepper, my blended veggie. I'm just going to rinse this blender and add that water into the pot. And please don't fill up the pot. Yes, it doesn't need too much water. And I will add some of my steamed cow skin into the pot, and I will add some of my steamed crab also into the pot. Yes, look at that. Oh, the soup is already looking good. Okay guys, so I'll cover this, I'll let it cook, and I will come back and check. Okay guys, so I'm back. Let's check how this soup is going. Yes, look at that color. So let me just mix this. I will mix this so it will not get burned. And after mixing this, I'm going to add some of my smoked fish. The smoked fish is optional. I know some people don't like fish, but I love some dry fish, or you call it smoked fish. And after adding the smoked fish, I'm going to add some crayfish into the pot also. Yes, this is crayfish. That's what makes the soup taste so good. Yes. And just mix this together. After that, I'm going to add my okra. Yes, my okra. I'm going to add this also into the pot. Okay guys, I'm going to add a little bit of water. Yes, I'm adding a little bit of water, and after this I will just mix this. So guys, after mixing this, I'll let this cook about 7 minutes to 8 minutes. And after 8 minutes, I'm back. And look at that. Oh my God. It looks so tasty. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. So guys, this soup, you can eat it with fufu, which is called swallow. Or where I came from in Sierra Leone, we can eat this with rice, steamed rice also. Yes, we can eat it with steamed rice. Either way, it is good. And I'm going to add some habanero pepper. After adding the habanero pepper, guys, I'm gonna let this cook about 25 minutes. Yes, I will let it cook about 25 minutes. And let me just show you how it looks. And after 25 minutes, you will see how the color changes. The palm oil will sit. That means that soup is ready to eat. Yes, after 25 minutes, this is the way it looks. It's well cooked, well done, and tastes delicious. Yes, this is the okra soup. This is the way I cook my okra soup. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you. How do you cook your okra soup? Let me know. Thank you guys. Look at that color. Ooh. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye bye.